Oh yeah, why did I forget to make dragon fruit immortal? What did I make? Yeah, I upgraded cactus. Ooh. So then let's start this video. It's such a nice day here. I'm going on an adventure and get these. This stuff is delicious. What? Tomato? How do you eat? You can't even eat. Your mouth is like inside glass. I don't know how. I'm just able to. This stuff is good. Ooh, some cake. Yum. Some too. Yeah. That's so delicious. What are you eating? Did you just eat a watermelon? Yeah? What did you just eat? Nothing. Good. Why did you eat a watermelon? He's literally a watermelon. I guess it's not by accident. This stuff is good. Oh, what just happened there? But yeah. What was that? There. What the? Who are you? I'm the glitch. The glitch? Yeah, I sure am. Oh, what are you drinking? And how are you able to drink? Don't even think about asking. Anyways, where are we? We're on a pirate ship. And I know who's Sandbox. He's your friend, right? Oh, how do you know? I know. But where is he? I want to kill him. What? Can I try that? No, you can't try that. He's at school right now. And I don't know what else happened. Oh yeah? I'm gonna fight you. Wait, don't! Who needs help from me? And who needs help? Who needs help from me? Where did you get that sword and helmet? Oh yeah, I got it from the basement. Oh, can you kill him? Okay. Here we go. What? Where did he go? Huh? What happened? Oh, my sword is stuck. I wonder what's happening back there. I don't know. Anyways. It's moving. Everybody, go to the basement. Okay, I'm coming in. Why? The ship is moving. And I know what that means. What? It means it's going to go. Where did my armor go? What happened? Yeah, where did my armor go? And my sword. I wonder what happened. I hope we're gonna be okay. Anyways. Does anybody have a tracker? I want to go to Sandbox. It's been 24 hours. Shouldn't he be back by now? He has a ship, his own ship. I would call him on my phone. Okay, pretend Apple is holding a phone. Sandbox. What is it? I'm fighting a big bloop right now. Wait, no, it's a sea eater. What? Sea eaters don't exist. Wait, yeah, sea eaters don't exist.